Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to check TPM version in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. There are several methods to check the TPM version. Today I'm gonna share the easiest method guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. You just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Right click on it and copy it. And now tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in guys. Now press enter. Now this command will list various TPM properties including the version. Look for the spec version or similar to determine the TTM version. Depending on your system, the output might provide multiple version numbers separated by commas. For example, 2.0, 1.2. The first number usually indicates the version of the TPM guys. If you have TPM 2.0, the output might start with 2.0, while for TPM 1.2, it might start with 1.2 if no TPM installed or enabled. The command might return no information or indicates that a TPM is not present. In my case, the same reason guys. And you will be get the information above here. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.